What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. We have my uncle and my dad working on the fireplace. It's almost done, as you can see. Quick update on that. We're gonna start breaking into the sidewalk here on my here shortly. We're gonna start breaking into this. We're gonna do the design, like I said. Still have to go get we haven't received a call from where we're gonna get the pieces of stones. As you can see, we have doing some barbecue. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed the previous video. As you guys saw, it's a video completely different, related differently than what we usually do on this channel. I also mentioned the 2021 BMW I saw. I have to go and do a not a review, probably like a sneak peek, not a proper review, just go over the car, see how the car looks. I have seen it in person. Like I said, I was in an appointment with my mom. We had a chance to see it. It was, that's amazing. The car, in my opinion, doesn't look too good and doesn't look too bad. So, I'm gonna save that into the next video. So, going to the F-150 Platinum, as you can see, we have it loaded with 24 pieces of stones. These stones are the ones that we don't need, or better say, the ones that we bought extra. Right here next to the Platinum, we got the beloved F1. Right here next to the Platinum, we have the beloved GMC Savannah, which actually has not been in videos lately. And that's because we haven't had, a lot of content or interesting content about this truck behind me right there, as you guys can see. Oh no, let me know what kind of content you want to see me do with this truck. I don't know, maybe a burnout? No, that's not gonna happen. You can't do a burnout on that thing. My dad will kill me. Although it will be cool though. F-150 Platinum, dirty as always. Damn, this truck is actually pretty, not disgusting, but damn, it's dirty. Definitely have to make a video about cleaning this whole truck, because it's the one that we use the most and the one that I clean the last. But with that being said, I actually have to bring more of these stones right here that are in the back, sitting on the back. I have to put them on the pallet, as you guys can see there, and then take them back to Lowe's, that's where we bought them, and then probably continue this video until tomorrow. Tomorrow we have to go and buy some sand. So I don't know, I probably keep this video until tomorrow. Probably after we do the sand, clean the truck, put it shiny. I don't know, let's see. Alrighty, so it actually has been, I believe, 2 hours since the last clip that you guys saw. We're about to head off to, take back what, we didn't need. Here, as you can see, we have all the stones at the back of the truck. Now, time to head off. I don't have my mask, it's on the truck. I'm dragging a car here because obviously I'm not gonna carry by each piece to the inside the store. Alright, we're going in to return this. Let's see how it goes. Alright, we just finished returning the pieces of stones. Now let's get back home. Alright, before we got home, we stopped by the house that my uncle looked at, I believe Friday, when I went to school. This house is ready to leave. My uncle, my aunt, it's already working on, the process of buying, well, not buying, see what comes out with this house. It's a big house. I believe it has 2,000 and some square foot. Alrighty, we just got back home. I don't even know where I left the video at, so yeah. Alrighty, so it's actually nighttime right now. I'm going to New York actually. I know it's pretty late outside, as you can see. Going to be heading out to Bronx, New York to pick up my aunt, because as it looks that maybe she will get a house, maybe not, I don't know. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up if it's up for the first time and you haven't already. And if you feel like you kind of want to, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.